Hi, friend! Today we're learning the letter B. This is B. B has a special sound. B, B, B. B. B, B, B. B. B is for ball. B, B, ball. Can you say ball? Ball. Great job. B, B, ball. B is also for bicycle. B, B, bicycle. Let's say it together. Ready? Bicycle. B, B, bicycle. Great job. Last one. B is also for banana. B, B, banana. Can you say that? B, B, banana. Great job learning the letter B today. B, B, B. Thanks for joining me in the Calm Little Corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye!